Hello guys, and welcome back to another Tweaker Man video. I want to show you these Chinese knockoff WBT plugs. Now they are the WBT 0144 and they have a serial number on them as well. Now these are really cheap. They retail at about £9 a set. So I thought I'd take a chance on them. I thought I'd try them out. I'm constantly buying new plugs and all sorts of stuff, just to try out and just to see what they're like and that. And I was pleasantly surprised with these. They're really well engineered, and they fit extremely well, and they fit nice and snug. And I tell you what, you can't tell any difference between these and the original WBTs. Now I have a feeling this serial number is not a WBT serial number. So the actual WBT 0144 is not a WBT range. Now I could be wrong. If anybody's out there wants to prove me wrong, that's fine. You may well do that. But so they are milled from, they're obviously brass, and then they're gold plated, 24 karat gold plated. They look the part, and they perform really well as well in my system. So I've made a set of interconnects up with these on, and they perform really well as well. For £9 it's a bargain. So I just wanted to show you them. I'll open one up so you can see it. So this is the inside of the plug there, with the outer body unscrewed. There we go. There's your centre pin there that you can solder to. Yeah, I think these are quite good quality for what they are. I mean, £9, you can't grumble really. So I just wanted to, this is only a quick video just to show you these. They arrived a couple of weeks ago, although the first set did, and then this set's just turned up today. And I've got them in my system at the moment, at the back on the CD player, with a cable that I made up and fitted them on. So I just wanted to give you the thumbs up on these. So what I'll do is I'll put the eBay number in the description below, so if anybody's interested in buying a set, it's worth having a go. Here's my daughter Lily. She's just popped in. Say hello, Lily.
Hello.
Hey, she's come in. She's a budding audiophile who's going to inherit all my stuff when she's older. So all I've got to say is thanks for watching another Tweaker Man video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time a new video is uploaded. And thanks for watching.